Tuesday's precise and important news. Mr. Hamad rejects the baseless allegations of the International Media Support Organization. Abdul Haq Hamad, the Director of Broadcasting of the Ministry of Information and Culture, said, "Currently there are more than 200 voice media active in Afghanistan." Mr. Hamad also rejected the baseless allegations of the International Media Support Organization that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan has shut down more than hundreds of media outlets. So far, 28,433 beggars have been collected from Kabul city. Up until February 13 of this year, the Beggars Collecting Committee collected 28,433 beggars from Kabul, and this operation is ongoing. $65,500 donated to the victims of earthquake hit in Turkey. The national businessmen of Herat province donated $65,500 to the victims of the earthquake in Turkey. It was handed over to the Council of Turkey by the Honorable Governor of Herat, the representative of Foreign Affairs and National Businessmen. Wednesday is declared national holiday to celebrate 34th anniversary of Soviet withdrawal. The Ministry of Work and Social Affairs declared Wednesday 15 February a public holiday to celebrate the 34th anniversary of the defeat and withdrawal of the Soviet army from Afghanistan. In 1989, a convoy of the lost Soviet forces crossed into Uzbekistan after being defeated badly in Afghanistan. Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan delegation returned from Uzbekistan. Delegation of Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan chaired by Mullah Bakhtul Rahman Sharafat, head of Afghanistan Railway Department, returned to country after signing contract for transfer and maintenance of Heratan Mazari Sharif railway line with Uzbekistan. Railway administration has called this trip full of achievements. Public Health Minister paid a visit to Pardes Technology Park in Iran. The Ministry of Public Health says that a delegation led by Al-Hajj Dr. Kalandar Ibad visited Pardes Technology Park in Banyan Danish exhibition in Iran.